Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Envato Elements for consistent brand assets. To configure Envato Elements for consistent brand assets, start by logging into your Envato Elements account. Once logged in, navigate to the home page and familiarize yourself with the available resources. Use the search bar to find specific types of assets, such as graphics, templates, and stock photos. Consider creating a mood board to clarify your brand's style and color palette. Collect relevant assets that reflect your brand identity as you browse through the library. Download items that resonate with your vision by clicking the download button next to each asset. Ensure you read the licensing terms for each asset to understand its usage rights. Create dedicated folders on your computer or cloud storage for easier organization of downloaded assets. Categorize your assets into subfolders based on type, such as logos, images, and templates. To enhance consistency, select a color palette for your brand and stick to it across all assets. Upload your logos and brand images to a central design tool, like Canva or Adobe Spark. Utilize templates from Envato for creating promotional materials, ensuring they align with your brand's aesthetic. When using stock photos, choose images that evoke the emotions and themes of your brand message. Regularly review and update your asset library to keep up with design trends and brand expansions. Collaborate with your team to ensure everyone understands the usage of brand assets. Finally, document your brand guidelines, highlighting how to use each asset consistently across platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.